Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can transfer money from Bank Mobile Vibe to Cash App. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Cash App on your mobile device and log in using your account. After logging in, tap on your profile icon at top right corner of your screen and select Linked Banks. Then tap on Link Debit Card and tap on the No Card button at the bottom of your screen. Sadly, it is not available in my region, but it will be available in yours, so click on it and select your bank from the available banks list. Then enter your credentials to start transferring the assets. And that's how you can transfer money from Bank Mobile Vibe to Cash App. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.